Building Decentralized Application Part 1, the Smart Contract. The checklist. We'll write a smart contract that can represent a certificate. We'll see how we can run a hard hat node simulation. Next, we'll learn how to connect Remix ID to the hard hat node. Then deploy the contract to the hard hat node from the Remix ID. Finally, interact with the deployed contract to test its functionalities from Remix ID. First, let us create a new file named sat.sol. Then we will create the base template. Next, let us create a contract named sat. In the body of the contract, we will declare a variable of the type address named admin to store the address of the contract admin. Then we'll use the constructor to store the contract deployer address in the admin variable. Next, we'll create a modifier named onlyAdmin, which will allow us to enhance functions only to be invoked from the admin address. Next, we'll create a structure with members including details related to a certificate such as name, course, grade, and date. Using the struct, we will create a mapping to store multiple certificate details against a certificate ID. The mapping will be tagged with the public keyword, and the Solidity compiler will automatically create a getter function for it. We'll then create a function named issue, only accessible by the admin, to store the certificate details in the certificates mapping against the certificate ID. And that's it for contract creation. Now let us run our hard hat node simulation. Make sure you have Node.js installed. Now create a new Ethereum developer folder in a suitable location on your computer. We'll store all the files related to this course over here. Inside the folder, create a new folder named hard hat node and open it. Then open a terminal here. First, we'll initialize a node project using the command npm init. We'll go with the default values. So press enter until you reach confirmation. Type yes, then enter. Now let us install the hard hat framework as a dev dependency using the following command. Wait for it to finish. Next, we'll initialize a hard hat project using the command npx hardhat init. Select the option to create an empty hardhat.config.js. Next, we can run the hard hat node using the command npx hardhat node. This command will simulate an Ethereum node. We'll see the connection URL to the node here. Copy the URL, go back to the Remix ID. Now in the deployment tab, change the environment to custom external HTTP provider. Its default value is the same as the URL we copied, so click OK to connect. We can see we are connected to the hard hat node. 31337 is the default chain ID of hard hat node. We also see the 20 dummy pre-funded accounts provided by the hard hat. Now deploy the contract. Let us issue a new certificate. Enter the details. Click transact. Let's try retrieving the data. Yeah, we got it. We can see all these interaction in the hard hat nodes logs also. So that's it. Thank you.